In this video, you'll learn how to customize links using CSS. For this functionality, you need to install a plugin named WP Code Lite. I've already installed and activated it, but if you need help installing a plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Once done, click on the code snippet. Simply click on Add a new snippet, and now you can use these snippets from the pre-made library or create a custom snippet. Let's give this code snippet a name here. Now, I'm entering the code to customize links. I'll mention the code in the description below. You can copy it from there. Using the code, you can change or customize the link color, as well as decorate links by underlining them. Don't forget to select the code type from here, otherwise it'll keep showing an error and the script won't work. If you don't want text decoration, you can remove it from the code. Once done, activate the snippet and save the changes. Let's refresh the page, and you can see the change in link color here. Now, let's add the underline to his link here. To do so, simply add this code to it. Let's update and refresh. On refreshing, you can see the link has been underlined here. You can make adjustments to the code like this. Don't forget to save the changes, and on refreshing, you can see the changes here. In case you want a code for hover settings, what you need to do is copy the code and paste it here. And make a small change to this code like this. I'll mention the code in the description and you can get it from there. Let's change the color code over here, and you can make further changes as per your preference. Once done, don't forget to save the changes. Let's move back and check the code in action. You can see that this is how it works. This is how easy it is to customize links using CSS in WordPress. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.